How to create a group chat on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app and make sure you're signed into your account. Next, tap the Messages or Messenger icon in the bottom of the screen. Once you're in your inbox, tap the New Message icon in the top right corner. Now, select the people you want to add to the group chat by tapping their names. You can search for friends using the search bar if needed. After selecting everyone, tap Chat or Next, depending on your version of Instagram. A new group conversation will be created automatically. You can now type your message, send photos, videos, voice messages, GIFs, stickers, or share posts with everyone in the group at the same time. If you'd like, tap the group name at the top of the chat to change the group name, manage members, or adjust notification settings. That's it! You've successfully created a group chat on Instagram. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Instagram tips, social media tutorials, and easy tech guides.